Hi, health advocates. Great to see you again. Today, we are going to discuss health management vocabulary. Now, this is something that all health managers and health advocates should have in their tool belt, along with communication and literacy skills. And if we haven't met before, hi, my name is Jennifer. I'm the creator of the Patient Better program. Welcome to my channel, and I created this channel for everyday people such as patients, caregivers, and family members just like yourself to learn how to manage care more easily and independently. Building our health management knowledge base comes in 3 increments, and today we are going to focus on the first increment, which is building our vocabulary and understanding our definitions in health management. Now, the second is working on our communication and literacy skills. The third increment is understanding medical terminology and medical jargon and applying it to healthcare professionals. Now, as for today, we're just going to focus on our vocabulary through definitions. And I've done that on our Patient Better website. Simply go into the subject line, type out Patient Better, hover over Resources, and click Keywords and Concepts. Now let's define definitions. Now, under Keywords and Concepts, we're going to focus on Patient Better's Health Management Glossary. The 6 definitions I would like you to learn are: Number 1, informal caregiver. All you have to do is click the button and it'll scroll down. Number 2, meaningful learning. Number 3, medical jargon. Number 4, medical terminology. Number 5, primary caregiver. And number 6, secondary caregiver. Those 6 definitions will get you started for the next couple of videos. Now, for our next couple of videos, we are going to focus on communication and literacy, as well as medical jargon and terminology. And if you've already purchased our health management program, all you have to do is go ahead and pre-read Articles 1.3 and 1.4, which is Healthcare Communication, Healthcare Illiteracy, a Hidden Epidemic. And that concludes our video for today. I want to hear your experiences about how maybe you have miscommunicated or how you can improve your health literacy skills. Now remember, this forum is made by everyday people for everyday people, so do not disclose your diagnosis, as we don't want to support any solicitations from drug or device companies, as well as we don't provide any medical advice here too. And if you click the arrow on the right-hand side, it pulls down the description where I have a list of links and tools for you to start managing care more easily and independently. Thank you, health advocates, for being the best part of Patient Better. See you next time.